Have you noticed your laptop feeling hot to the touch? Overheating is a common issue that can affect performance and longevity. Let's explore how to keep it cool without opening it up. Look out for signs like unexpected shutdowns, slow performance, and a fan that runs constantly. These could indicate that your laptop is overheating. Keeping your laptop cool not only ensures optimal performance but also extends its lifespan. Let's dive into how we can achieve that. One simple way to cool things down is through cleaning. Using compressed air, you can blow out dust and debris that clog up cooling vents. This can significantly improve airflow. Placement matters. Ensure your laptop is on a hard surface with plenty of space around it for ventilation. Avoid placing it on soft surfaces like beds or couches. Consider investing in a cooling pad. These devices help circulate air and keep your laptop at a safe temperature during heavy use. Don't forget to check your power settings. Adjusting these can optimize performance and reduce heat output, especially during tasks that require less processing power. Over time, the thermal paste on your CPU can wear out. When it's time for a replacement, it can help maintain the thermal efficiency of your laptop.